Hi, it's Ricky from Graham Tax Accounting. I'm going to be talking to you today about a question I get asked quite a bit, which is, should I put my vehicle under my corporation name? Now, most people think that just because they put their vehicle under their corporation, that it's a complete business write-off and that I don't have to worry about anything personally. And that's a common misconception. There are tax consequences potentially by putting vehicles under your corporation. I'm going to talk about the two major ones. One being the standby charge. Okay, so the CRA says that if you have it at home, then essentially you have access to this vehicle and it's on standby essentially. And because of that, they say that you need to then calculate a standby benefit charge and then add it to your personal taxes. Number two, on top of the standby charge, there's an operating benefit charge. Because again, you have access to the car and that you can use this car for personal usage, any percentage that you're using for personal usage, let's say it's 30%, 40%, 70%, whatever the case may be, they're potentially going to be charging you an operating benefit standby charge and also adding that to your personal taxes. You can avoid having any of these charges if you actually use that vehicle 100% for business purposes, but as soon as that number starts going down, that's when these charges start to increase. What I usually tell my clients is that it might make sense to just keep it under your personal name, whether you're leasing or financing, and then just charging your corporation a charge. So you send them vehicle expenses and then they'll be able to send you back money on a tax-free basis. And lastly, if you have the vehicle within the corporation and you're in an industry which doesn't traditionally have vehicles within the corporation or on their books as an asset, then you're potentially opening yourself up to inquiry or potentially even an audit from the CRA, just because they're not really expecting to see vehicles on your books, and they are, right? So if you are in a particular industry where it's not common, then you might be shining a light on your business, and if you can avoid an audit, you want to do that. If you want more information, you can read the article below.